a judge has heard closing arguments in Kari Lake's latest legal challenge related to the 2022 election. Lake is suing in an attempt to get access to voter signatures on mail-in ballot envelopes.
Joe Dana was in the courtroom, and he's joining us live in the studio with the latest. Joe?
Kari Lake's attorneys could not even get one witness on the stand during the two-day trial. It reflects a larger theme we've seen since Lake began making claims of fraud in the elections. What Lake says in front of crowds or on social media is often not considered credible enough to be considered in a courtroom. It's hard to argue a case without witnesses.
I just do not find that that's relevant.
But once again, for the second day in a row, Superior Court Judge John Hanna blocked potential witnesses from testifying on behalf of Kari Lake in her public records lawsuit against Maricopa County.
The bottom line is the request to call those witnesses is denied.
The judge has either labeled witnesses for Lake not credible or not capable of providing relevant information.
It is a 0 in the analysis.
Despite portraying confidence about her election fraud claims in the past,
the truth is on our side.
The former TV anchor and defeated governor's candidate has had no success in election-related lawsuits. Judges have not only ruled against Lake in 2 trials, but they fined Lake's attorneys $2,000 in one case and $122,000 in another for making false and frivolous claims. In this trial, Lake's attorney argues they were illegally denied access to review signatures of mail-in voters, more than 1.3 million in the county.
The very purpose, Your Honor, of the Public Records Act is to ensure that the people can serve as a check on the activities of government.
County Recorder Stephen Richer testified images on the envelopes are considered part of the voter registration record, off limits to the public. The county also argues the contentious political climate is why Richer is justified to keep signatures from being released.
It can lead to voter harassment, can lead to voter disenfranchisement.
One witness for the county testified she left her position as an election worker after 31 years on the job, in part because of harassment.
I had lots of different ways that my picture was being circulated around social media with several captions highlighting the word treason.
Now, the county has previously demonstrated they followed the law regarding signature curing and verification. Judge Hanna says he plans to issue a ruling very soon on this public records lawsuit.
And Joe, attorneys for Lake, they made the point that our signatures are everywhere. I mean, they're a part of property records. I mean, you even sign your signature on a receipt at a restaurant. So what is different about the ballot signatures?
Well, 2 things. One, the recorder's office argues that the Constitution protects your sacred right to vote. That should remain private. And 2, they're saying even if information is available somewhere else, case law dictates that if there's an interest for the state to protect information, they should still do it. So we'll wait and see how the judge rules on this.
All right, Joe, thank you for that update.
Okay.